Get him, Ava. Where's Bear Bear? Where's your dog? Can I give him lovies? Aww, kisses. Mwah, kisses. You love Bear. Can you give him kisses? No kisses for Bear? You gonna come give Mama kisses? Oh boy, Bear, here she comes. Say, aw, lovey Bear. Lovey Bear. Aw, you're so sweet. Aw, you love Bear. Is he your Bear Bear? Good job. Good walking, too. Here, Ava. Come walk to Mama? Yeah. Here. No. Not going to walk to Mama, huh? Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye to Mama? Bye-bye. Good job. Oh, wait. She's coming back for more. Oh, more bear loves. Ava, how old are you going to be tomorrow? Say, I'm going to be 1 tomorrow. Who's at the door? Come here. Ava. Yeah. Woo! Good try. You do so good. What's that? Mama's shoe. Shoe. That's my shoe. Hey. That's Mama's book. Ava. I love you. Oh, look at them boogies. Ready? Oh, look at them boogies.